Here are the top 3 things to help you make a wise donation to California wildfire relief. Support experienced disaster relief organizations. They have the capacity to serve a large group of people as quickly as possible. Second, see if they specify what relief activities they do. It could be providing food, housing, medical care, animal rescue, or something else. And third, donate to trusted charities. Visit give.org to access a list of BBB accredited charities. These are groups that meet the BBB charity standards.